Kim Bassin from Grand Rapids, and I'm here at International Aid and asked if you were reaching out to West Virginia for the flooding disasters that they've recently experienced. They had some things that they would love to donate, so I'm here picking up blankets and hygiene kits and whatever else you can bless those people with. My husband and I will be driving them down to West Virginia tomorrow morning and delivering them to 3 different churches in 3 areas that they're working with, helping people restore and clean up their homes. Some of them will be going to Huntington, West Virginia. There's a large church there called Christ Temple, and they've been working diligently all week, and they're weary and tired, but they're trusting in God.